partners sharing profits in ratio 3:2:1. The balance sheet stood under as on 31st March 2019. On this date, Y retired on the following terms. First, doubtful debts increased by 3,000. Second, salary outstanding 4,000. Third, reduced creditors by 500. Fourth, a debtor for rupees 3,000 was written off last year. He paid rupees 2,000 in full settlement of his account on this date, but transaction has not been recorded in the books. Fifth, goodwill of the firm was rupees 27,000. Prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of the new firm.
Thank you so much, Vijay. I have mapped something over here. What are we going to do with this general reserve? Anyone who can tell me?
We will distribute in partners capital account.
Very good. Okay, now what is to be done with this goodwill appearing over here?
Sir, written off.
Write off amongst
Old partners.
old partners, old ratio. Very good. ये adjustment का क्या करेंगे? A debtor of 3,000 was written off last year. He paid 2,000 in full settlement of his account.
Sir, bank to bad debt recovered.
Bad debt recovered. Yes, bad debt recovered has to be there. Let us start with XYZ. From balance sheet, we have to write the capitals and the general reserve. Let us do that part. By balance BD is rupees 30,000, right? 26,000 and 15,000, right? Okay. We have general reserve as well. So let us distribute by general reserve. Yes, in the ratio 3:1. 9,000 in the ratio 3:1 will be 4,500, 3,000 and 1,500. Okay. Goodwill appearing in balance sheet also to be written off, but on the debit side now. Okay. So to goodwill, we have been doing this since 2-3 chapters now. So please take care of this. 6,000 in the ratio of 3:1. The amount is also 3:1. Okay, we are done with the balance sheet amounts. Bank balance has to be copied. Yes. To balance BD rupees 5,000. Clear. So once we are done with the balance sheet amounts, okay, let us go to the adjustments now. Doubtful debt be increased by rupees 3,000. Provision has to be increased by 3,000, right? ये जो by वाला word है, please take care of this. Okay, so we already have some provision with us. Okay, so let us copy this datus. Datus is rupees 40,000, right? Less provision for doubtful debts. How much amount should I write over here now? It will be 6,000 because the provision has to be increased by 3,000. It's a loss for us, the increased loss. Net value is 34,000. Let me write over here to provision for doubtful debt rupees 3,000. Okay. Salary outstanding is rupees 4,000. That is also a loss. So let me write over there salary outstanding. Okay, rupees 4,000. Salary outstanding is a liability, so let me write it on the liability side as well. Outstanding salary rupees 4,000. Okay. After that, creditors to be reduced by rupees 500. If creditors reduces, it's a profit for us. Revaluation credit by creditors 500 rupees, and creditors will come in the balance sheet on the liability side. Creditors rupees 27,500. Okay. This is what we have discussed. Okay, this is the amount of bad debt recovered. We are talking about 3,000 which was written off last year. Now we are able to recover that amount. Okay, 2,000 has been paid back by the customer. So let us treat it as an income for us. Cash or bank account debited to bad debt recovered is the entry. So to bad debts recovered. And please remember that this amount of bad debt recovered has nothing to do with the provision, nothing to do with the debtors. How much amount we've been able to recover? 2,000. So let us write 2,000 only. Okay, this bad debt recovered is an income. So let me credit this to revaluation account. Okay, so by bad debt recovered amount is rupees 2,000. Okay, forget about that remaining 1,000. वो तो हम already bad debt लिख चुके हैं, right? Now this is again goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 27,000. Again, I want you to calculate orally. 27,000 is firm's goodwill. retiring partner is Y. Y ka share is 2 by 6. 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. How much will be Y's share in goodwill?
9,000.
Okay, 9,000 is right. Okay, 27,000 into 2 by 6 is 9,000. 9,000 के लिए कौन contribute करेगा?
X and Z.
X and Z. In what ratio?
3:1.
3:1.
3:1.
तो आप कैलकुलेट करो, मैं इफेक्ट लिखता हूँ जब तक यहाँ पर. Y should be credited by X's capital, right? And by Z's capital. Yes, anyone with the amounts please now? 9,000 in the ratio of 3:1.
6,750 or 2,250.
2,550.
Very good. Okay. So over here, 2Y's capital. Okay, तो X में आ जाएगा 6,750 and 2,250. Okay. Okay, so we are done with the effect of goodwill over here. So we are done with these adjustments. Let us go to the balance sheet items. Bank balance has been copied. Debtors we are done with. Stock and furniture. Okay, are the two amounts without any adjustment. So let me copy this as it is. Stock and furniture. Okay, the value of the stock and furniture can be seen as 40,000 and 20,000. Okay. Goodwill we are done with. We already have written off goodwill. Okay, creditors adjustment was there. General reserve was distributed and capitals also have been copied. So we are done with each and every amount from balance sheet, each and every adjustment also. Okay, let us close these accounts now. Revaluation account, debit side seems to be more now. This is 7,000 and over here this is
4,500 difference.
500 difference.
See, 4,500. Okay, so let me write over there by partners capital account. This is a loss this time. Okay, by partners capital. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is X, Y, Z. Okay, so yes, 4,500 in the ratio of 3:1.
2,150,
2,250.
2,250 and 750.
Okay.
सर टोटल 7,000 आएगा ना.
हाँ, तो 7,000 तो लिखा है यार.
सर पहले 2,500 लिखा था ना.
Okay, sorry. ठीक है, 7,000 and वो total 2,500 लिख दिया था by mistake. Difference is 4,500 has been distributed. It's a loss. Partners needs to be debited. So to revaluation account. Okay, amount is 2,250, 1,500 and 750. Okay, that's all. Now, is there anything regarding like why is paid or not in the question? Anything, any information? There is no information, right? So when we don't have any information regarding whether the retiring partner has been paid or not, so what are we supposed to assume?
Loan.
Loan, right? So that's correct. So let us write there 2Y's loan account, right? So let us close Y's account first of all.
38,000.
38,000.
That's correct. Okay, 38,000. Tell me the difference.
34,500.
34,500.
Okay, 34,500. Okay, Y is loan 34,500. That's fine. Now let us get the totals for X and Z also. This is going to be 34,500 and over here 16,500.
16,500.
Okay. So let us copy this over here. Done. Let us get the difference over here.
22,500.
एक second बेटा. Do balance CD. Okay, for X
22,500.
22,500. Okay. Next.
12,500.
Okay. ठीक है. The capital balances will have to go to balance sheet on the liability side as capitals X and Z. Okay, X, Z, and the amount of capital for X is rupees 22,500 and 12,500, right? So let us get
35,000.
35,000.
That's fine. 35,000. Bank account needs to be closed. Okay, so by balance CD amount is 7,000, 7,000, and 7,000 again. Okay. This bank balance will be in balance sheet on the asset side. Bank balance 7,000. Okay. Total
1,01,000.
Like 1,000.
Okay.
No side.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, so we are done with this sum as well. So this is sum that I would like to start with. The balance sheet of ABC, who are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 1/2, 1/3, and 1/6 respectively, was as follows on 1st of April. The balance sheet is given to us. Bills payable, creditors, capitals can be seen. Profit and loss can be seen. On the asset side, cash in hand and remaining assets are there. So let us take these capitals and profit and loss account and capital account. Let me write there by balance BD. ABC is rupees 40,000, 25,000, 20,000. Okay, I'm sorry, 20,000. Okay. Capital has been mentioned over there. Profit and loss account is there. So let me write there by profit and loss account. Okay. Profit and loss account is 4,500 and the ratio given to us is in the fraction 1/2, 1/3, 1/6. If I just equalize the denominator part, okay, so 6 aa jayega, so that will be 3:2:1. Okay, so 4,500 in the ratio of 3:2:1 divided by 6 will be 750, so 2250, right? 1,500 and 750. Okay, so this is what is the distribution of profit and loss account of the old ratio, that is 3:2:1. Okay, these denominators are fraction part do confuse the students at times, but please make sure whenever the fractions are given to us, you simply need to do is denominator part has to be equalized. That's all. Okay, so 6 is a denominator, like the common LCM for the 2, 3, and 6. So 3:1 is the ratio. Okay, now from the asset side, we have cash in hand. So let me write over here cash balance, right? And balance can be seen as 25,650. So let me write over here to balance BD rupees 25,650. Okay, that's all from the balance sheet now. Okay, after the balance sheet, we are told that A retires from the business on 1st of April 17. Assets were revalued as under. Stock revalued, furniture, plant and machinery, building. Okay, so these are all the things revaluation is given to us. Let us take it one by one. Stock is revalued. Okay, the reason of taking this sum is generally what happens, we are given the increase and the decrease, right? But over here the revaluation is given. Now because the revaluation is given, so we need to find the profit or loss. Stock is revalued for rupees 20,000. Okay, the stock can be seen as 22,300. It is now revalued for 20, so it's a loss. Let me write the difference over here to stock, and the difference will be 2,300. And the new value of stock, let me write over here stock, stock furniture. Let me write all together plant and machinery. Because the revaluation is given, it will be easy for me to copy down from here. Building. Okay, so let me copy down these values. Stock is revalued for rupees 20,000. Furniture is 3,000. Plant and machinery is 9,000. And building is 20,000. Let us complete the 4 amounts now. Stock has reduced, that's fine. Furniture is revalued for 3. It was 3,500. Now it is 3,000. So again, there is a decrease in the asset. So let me write over there to furniture reduces by rupees 500. Plant and machinery now is revalued for rupees 9,000, whereas it was 9,750 earlier. So 750, it's a reduction again. So let me write there to plant and machinery. Okay, 750. And building now is revalued for rupees 20,000, whereas it was rupees 24,000 earlier. Right, this also has reduced. So let me write over here to building rupees 4,000. So all the 4 assets reduces. So revaluation debit and balance sheet, the revalued figure has been shown. Okay. After that, rupees 850 was to be provided for doubtful debts. Okay, so let us write their datus, and we don't have any provision over here. Okay, so it's very simple and easy for me to note down these things now. Datus amounts to rupees 17,800, right? Less provision for doubtful debts rupees 850. Okay, so let me deduct 850 from here. Okay, and once I deduct this 850, the remaining net amount in the outer column will be 16,950. 17,000, हाँ ठीक है. After this provision, अच्छा provision का second effect over here, to provision for doubtful debts rupees 850. That's fine. The goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 6,000, but the same will not appear as an asset in the new firm. That's fine. That's very common adjustment. A retires. So let us find the value of A. Firm's goodwill is 6,000. Out of firm's goodwill 6,000, A's share is 3 by 6. That is 1 by 2. So 6,000 ka half will be 3,000.
3,000.
3,000 will be contributed by the remaining two partners, B and C, in the ratio of 2:1. Okay, because we don't have any new ratio, we don't have any gaining ratio. So basically, A will get a credit from B and C. Okay, so this is very simple adjustment now by B's capital and by C's capital. Okay, so in the column of A, rupees 2,000. A has been given a credit. Now on the debit side, let me write there to A's capital, and because B and C has contributed rupees 2,000 and 1,000. Okay, so we are done with that goodwill effect. Okay, now A was to be paid rupees 11,500 in cash on retirement. Let us pay 11,500 to A. So to cash 11,500. A has been paid this value, right? When A has been paid this value, so let me write in cash and bank account by A's capital. Okay, this is very easy. A to cash is the entry, so A has been debited, cash has been credited rupees 11,500. Okay, and then the balance in 3 equal yearly installments with interest at the rate of 9% per annum. Okay, interest has to be paid 3 equal yearly installments, but as I have told you, this is not in syllabus now. That's why I have marked with red. Okay, the only thing we are supposed to do is over here we need to write over there to is loan. That is what we have done till yesterday. We are not supposed to. This is why I have highlighted this thing also. Also show is loan account. Otherwise this sum was very important from my point of view, but because this year it is not in syllabus, so relax you people. Okay, need not to worry about these things like how many installments are there, what is the rate of interest, we have to prepare the loan account. No, this is not in syllabus. Okay, the reason of selecting the sum is the remaining things, and just to make you understand that key, if any loan account is to be prepared, that is not in syllabus now. Correct? Any capital adjustment is not there in syllabus now. Okay, so we just need to find the difference over here for A, and that will be A's loan. We know that this has to come in the balance sheet liability side. Okay, prepare revaluation capital account balance sheet हो गया. A's loan हमने बनाना नहीं है. Let us go to the balance sheet now. Bills payable, creditors. Okay, these are the two amounts without any adjustments. So let me copy this as it is. And bills payable. Okay, the bills payable is 6,400 and creditors can be seen 12,500. Okay, capitals and profit and loss account already transferred to capital account. Cash in hand is done. Okay, bills receivable is left out in the balance sheet now. So let me write over here. Bills receivable, receivable rupees 5,400. Okay, debtors, stock, furniture, plant and machinery, building, all 5 adjustments were there. So we are done with this particular sum. All the amounts of the adjustments have been taken care of. I repeat again, loan account is not in syllabus, so I have not touched that. Okay, now let us close these accounts in a quick time. If you can help me out with the totals and the differences, please.
8,400.
8,400.
8,400. Okay. 8400 is the total, and we don't have anything on the credit side, so 8400 is a loss by partners capital account, right? Okay, and over here all the partners will be there, A, B, C. Old partners, old ratio. Okay, the ratio we all know that it is 3:2:1. 8400 divided by 6, 1400.
3200.
42.
32.
42.
40.
42, 28,
20. 14.
14.
okay, 1400 आएगा ना, divide by 6 करेंगे तो. Okay, so
Yes,
it's a
sir.
loss. Being a loss, it has to come over here. Let me write this over here. To revaluation account. Okay, so for A, this is 4200. For B, this is 2800. For C, this is 1400. Okay, so we are done with the loss, and now let us close the partners capital. As I have been repeating my words on daily basis, whenever it comes to partners capital, we should close retiring partner capital first. Okay, so 42, 45.
45 to 50.
45 to 50.
ठीक है, 45 to 50. Out of 45 to 50 now
29
29
550.
550.
ठीक है ये.
29. 29 550.
I'm sorry. 29 550. 29 33 44 45 to 50. That's very correct. Okay, now A is loan. A is loan, we know like it's a liability. Okay, so let me write over there, A is loan account. Okay, this is as simple as this, like whatever we have done till yesterday. Do not confuse yourself looking at the red mark words in the question over here. Balance in 3 equal installments at the rate of 9% per annum. Show A is loan account. Nothing like that will appear in any of the sum in the board exams, right? Now, like this year, 2021 exam. Okay, so this is simple, like we have done this yesterday also. Now, let us get the totals of B and C as well. B ka total is 26,500 and this is 20,750.
2750.
Okay, so let me copy this over here. Okay, and the difference over here now, that will be balance CD
21 700.
balance
21
700.
second. एक second. Yeah. Okay, tell me now.
21 700.
Okay, ठीक है. And for C,
18 350.
18 350.
very good.
18350.
Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so this is now capitals. B and C. Only two capitals will be there with us. B and C because A retired. Okay, the capital of B can be seen as 21,700. C can be seen as 18,350. So let us get-
40,050.
40,050.
4050.
Okay, 3,050. Okay, cash and bank balance to be closed. Let us get the difference over here by balance CD. How much? 14,150.
14150.
650. ठीक है. Okay, so 14,150 is the cash balance. So let me write over there cash balance. 14,150. Okay, now let us get the total.
88 500.
88 500.
88,500. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, on the asset side, 3 32 52 68 73 87.
Yes, sir.
88 100. ठीक है. Okay, so we are done with the sum.